Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam. Okay.
Brother, tell me how you met your teacher.
Kitchen is amazing. I like it.
कौन बताए?
I found this guy on TikTok. I saw his videos. Good quality, good communication. I was in touch with him for a few weeks. In UK. When I came here, he confirmed that he's available to do my kitchen. Everything is customized A to Z. He's picked the material, he's picked the shop, everything. He's asked me, is this okay? Is this okay? Does this work? Does this match? I said yes. He go buy it. He bring it here, he cut it outside, fit it. You can see the quality, everything. As you can see, everything is clean, tidy, neat. And this extra storage, this was an extra request. This was not in the plan. If you have extra request, he will adjust the plan accordingly. Nadeem understands your requirement. So if you need anything extra, he will do it for you. I asked him to do the worktop.
Yeah.
I asked him for the dish rack, so I was drying. He suggested the design. He suggested for material according to my needs. I didn't have to do nothing. He go buy the materials, talk to the dealers. He's left space for the hob, so I'm going to put him later on. Or if I tell him, he'll go buy the accessory. He's coming up. I asked him if I wanted masala rocks. He's done that, which is very good. Cabinets. So when I'm cooking, I don't need to go nowhere else. I just sit here and cook. So also advanced planning and thinking is poor ventilation. So the smell, nothing stays here. Other than this, you put the border. As you can see, the quality. Everything is to requirements. As you can see, everything is going on. I had only to add extra storage, which is there.
That's it. That's it.
Which is good.
चलो
If you have any questions, you can ask Nadeem. He will explain to you. He will guide you. You might have a design. He will drive for you. And he will tell you what is fitting best. If you think something is not right, he will give you a suggestion which is fitting. For example, like this.
4 मिनट आगे बन गई बस